योग म्हणल्यार इट्स द युनियन ऑफ द मायंड, बॉडी एंड सोल. इंटरनॅशनल योगा डे आज आमी मनयता आनी आमचो म्हाका दिसता आमच्या देशान सगळ्यान व्हडलो लिडर जो आमी मानता विश्वगुरू म्हूण, खऱ्यांनी तेणें विश्वगुरू आनी वर्ल्ड लिडर म्हूण अमेरिके आतां दाखयले. आमकां टीव्हीर दिसता, सगळ्या लोकांक खबर आसा. आनी तेन्ना युनायटेड नेशन्स योगा व्हरप म्हणल्यार म्हाका दिसता एक काळजी करप आख्खे लोकांची संवसारान आसा तेजी भलायकेचो. इट्स लायक कॅरींग फॉर द वर्ल्ड हेल्थ, कॅरींग फॉर द पीपल, बिकॉज इफ यू प्रॅक्टीस योगा I think most of the diseases will be not there. In modern day, people are facing so much of problem because of newer and newer diseases coming to the fore. If a good practitioner of yoga every day will help to maintain one's health, it is like giving your body the forces, natural energy from the cosmos into yourself. And also a little bit of physical exercise. This is going to help preserve our good health in a big way, because it is said health is wealth. So if you want to be healthy, I think a little bit of yoga is required. We have a tendency, only when it comes from a foreign land or from foreign leaders, we tend to respect our own tradition, our own what should I say, something which is very much Indian. We know to respect that only when it comes from somewhere down from the west, or from the European side. Some leader applauds, America applauding. Now we are learning what is yoga, but thanks to our beloved Prime Minister Shri Modi ji, who has taken it at the world level, and it's good for health of the whole world.
स्पेशली योगा डे चिखले पंचायतीने ऑर्गनायज केला, ते हेतू कितें आसा?
टुडे आमची विलेज पंचायत चिकालीम इंटरनॅशनल योगा डे सेलिब्रेट करता. एक्चुअली फक्त आजचे दिसा न्हू, वी शूड प्रॅक्टीस योगा ईच एंड एवरी डे. इट कनेक्ट्स आवर बॉडी एंड सोल. योगा एक्चुअली ओनली हांवें प्रॅक्टीस इट, बट हांवें रिक्वेस्ट एवरीबडी, आजच्या काळान जे स्ट्रेस आहा आनी जे दुयेंसां वाडलेली आहा पळय, ईच एंड एवरी वन शूड प्रॅक्टीस योगा एवरी डे इन द मॉर्निंग. इट वील रिलॅक्स द मायंड, बॉडी, मिन्स एक पॉझिटीव थॉट दितलो योगा. सो वी आर ब्लेस्ड टू organize yoga day in our panchayat, so requesting everybody to please follow this. Kayit na, it's a simple asanas you have to do. So celebrate yoga day every day in your life.